Welcome to Little Buddy International Preschool, where learning meets endless possibilities. Here, every corner is designed to spark curiosity and creativity. Watch our little learners walk the sensory path, peek out of tents, build with construction toys, and engage in imaginative play. Beyond the classroom, our huge outdoor space allows children to run, jump, and grow in a safe, secure, and joyful environment. At Little Buddy's, safety is our top priority. With 24 by 7 CCTV monitoring and foolproof security measures, we ensure a protected and nurturing space for your child. With vibrant classrooms, engaging activities, and a child centric approach, we are dedicated to laying the foundation for lifelong learning. Give your child the best start to their educational journey. Visit us today and experience the magic of learning. Little Buddy International Preschool, where little minds grow, explore, and shine.